Gopibo, Gopabo, Agobo. Which one sounds best?
Agobo?
Honey, are you sure?
Then again, Gopabo sounds more unique.
Wait. Let's go with Agobo. Oh, no, wait. Supervisor Victor?
I like Gopabo.
Yeah, but...
Supervisor Victor.
Oh, perfect timing. We have some very indecisive new parents here. The coming-of-age ceremony is near, and they still can't decide on a name. But I'm swamped. The confetti cannons need lots of polish, so...
You want me to help choose a name?
Yes, exactly. You're not only a great human stylist and friend of the new Wishmaster, you also defeated Chigda and saved the Feywish sprites. The Shining Girl.
The Shining Girl?
It's perfect for you, Nikki.
That's right. And if the Shining Girl steps in, they'll stop being indecisive.
Yes! No more indecision.
Right. A stylist as brave and talented as you can definitely choose the best name for our baby.
But I've never named a baby before.
Not even a human baby.
It's okay. We trust you. Whatever name you choose will be a wonderful blessing. Honey, let's read the names to the Shining Girl again.
Our choices are... Gopabo, Gopibo, Agobo.
I choose Gopabo.
Gopabo! So it's to be a unique name. Thank you, Shining Girl.
My pleasure. The Shining Girl is here to help.
Now we can finally see Director Dodabo. Honey, let's go to the Wish Celebration Center right now.
Whew! Thank you. Now I can focus on polishing the cannons for the coming-of-age ceremony.
Speaking of, Supervisor Victor, as a human attending the coming-of-age ceremony, should I prepare anything special? In the human world, to celebrate a newborn, we'd bring a gift for the baby. I wonder, do Feywish sprites have similar customs?
Feywish sprite parents do prepare gifts for their babies. They send them to the Wish Celebration Center for special packaging.
I feel like I should prepare a gift too. I wonder what baby Feywish sprites might need.
I can't think of anything. But definitely not barbecue.
You should visit the Wish Celebration Center and talk to a few Feywish sprite parents. Ask around. They should be there packaging gifts.
Then we'll head to the Wish Celebration Center.
Attacking head on isn't working. Try going down fast. Finish it off.
It's you, the amazing stylist who defeated Shikta. I'm so happy to see you here. You're my favorite human now. Are you attending the ceremony too?
Yes. But as the only human guest, I don't know what gift to prepare for baby Feywish sprites. So I wanted to ask what you all are preparing.
Well, I've prepared a super practical gift.
Like what?
A 10-kilogram wooden exercise set!
Exercise equipment?
That's right. Lately, I've realized there are too many dangers lurking in Mirrorland. Just look at those Esslings, always popping up to cause problems. As a mother, I can't help but worry about my baby's health and safety. So, my biggest hope and blessing for my baby is strength.
Nice straightforward blessing.
I've worked it all out. When the baby grows up, they can start training with me. 300 reps a day. In 5 years, they can punch a PC. 600 reps a day. In 10 years, they can kick an Essling's butt.
Sounds like they'll be a perfect candidate for the Paladins.
But 10 kilograms of equipment, isn't that a bit much?
Well, we'll start easy. 10 kilograms. Compared to my workouts, it's a lot less. Don't be fooled by my cute looks. I could knock a PC silly with one punch. All thanks to my years of diligent training.
Sorry, we're working on our Feywish jokes for the baby.
You're preparing a joke book as a gift?
That's right. It's a collection of jokes we've gathered ourselves. Like, one time, a Feywish sprite baby asked their parents, "Mommy, Daddy, am I a silly child?" The mother shook her head, and then she replied, "Silly child? How could you be a silly child?"
Oh my, this one is too funny.
Darling, your laughter is so contagious. Being with you always makes me laugh. We hope our child will be just like us, cheerful and happy.
And with a hearty laugh.
Exactly.
It's a unique gift, but a warm and lovely one.
Yep, for a growing child, laughter might be the best gift of all.
The gifts everyone's prepared are so meaningful and special. Momo, what should we get for them?
Overthinking? Racking your brains? Inspiration blocked. Time to knock it free! And I happen to be the best Feywish sprite for the job.
Who are you?
I am Wish Celebration Center Supervisor, Fireworks Designer, author of Confetti, a study of imagination, technology, and romance, and incurable romantic Dodobo. You're worried about a gift for the baby's coming-of-age ceremony, right?
Yes. Everyone's gifts are just so full of special blessings and meaning. Happiness, health. The two of us also want to give a gift that's meaningful and unique.
A unique gift. As the first human ever invited to a baby Feywish sprite's coming-of-age ceremony, your gift is already special on its own. If you really want to make it even more special, it should be your wish.
My wish?
Yes. A beautiful wish is the best gift a human could give. Just make a wish, Nikki. Whatever it might be, it will be very precious to all the Feywish sprites.
Then, I wish. that everyone achieves their most precious wishes. A joyful, brave heartbeat, gentle breeze, and a warm song. This is such a beautiful and precious wish. I wonder which lucky baby Feywish sprite will receive your wish. The ceremony is about to start. Looks like Supervisor Victa and the others are ready. Jirota should be there too. But for the official ceremony to begin, it needs to be dusk. Dusk? Why? Because when the Wishing One created us, it was at dusk. So the ceremony is always held at that time. Go ahead, follow them, and you'll reach the Arosa Valley.
Once, long ago, the Wishing One sealed part of his power here. It became the Arosa. Nikki, thank you for making the Arosa bloom again. It's yours now. Use it to create the Wishful Arosa outfit and awaken all the coma victims.
Now I've got inspiration for the final piece of the Wishful Arosa outfit. Momo, we can finally craft it.
Nikki, you're back! Is this the miracle outfit? So pretty. A fitting name. Like a wish, it looks like the Arosa, bright and radiant.
It was inspired by all of this. The Wishing One, the Arosa, and the Orium Base. My journey through Wishfield was inspiring. While investigating the coma cases, I began to learn about the hidden legends and powers of this land. At first, I didn't know what a miracle outfit was. But now, I think I understand a little better. In the Age of Divinity, divine beings walked the land, creating miracles and bringing prosperity. The Arosa is a miracle left by the Wishing One. For centuries, they bloomed and faded, just as they were meant to. But reviving the miracles of the past isn't enough. To create my wish, I need to feel, use my imagination, and reignite it with fresh inspiration. Nanoi's mother, Dorsey, D'Artagnan. The wishful Arosa outfit should dispel despair and wake them up.
Yes. And because the Feywish sprites are partially to blame, Nikki, as the Wishmaster, I should go with you.
All right, together then. Giroda's gone back to the Wishing Woods. Momo, let's head to the Stylist Guild and report to Dada. Dada!
Nikki! Welcome back to the Floor-Wish Stylist Guild. I heard good news. Both Missy Grain and Dorsey woke up, as well as the Wish Collector from Stoneville. By the way, Giovanni is being temporarily held at the guard's office. Captain Haya has some details she'd like to question him about.
That's a long story. It'll take days to tell.
Why? What's going on?
Well...
What? The Wishmaster made a deal with the Dark? And the missing stylists. That was him too? This is outrageous! I've got to report him to the Whim Department. Lately, we've been getting reports about dark movements, but have yet to pinpoint their exact plans. Now, they've appeared here in Wishfield? I fear they're up to more than just corrupting the Wishmaster.
What could they be after?
We don't know yet. But don't get too worried. This land is full of brave and kind stylists, like you. Stylists who uphold the virtues of beauty and hope. Where evil lures people into comas, there's also someone who can wake them. Thanks to you creating the Wishful Rosa outfit. With it, many people have been spared from suffering and sorrow this time.
I'm glad I could help. Oh, by the way, Dada, we plan to continue searching for the next miracle outfit.
Got it. The tireless pursuit of a stylist.
Uh-huh. We think... maybe we should explore other regions. But still don't really know too much about the rest of Miraland.
Really? Well then, let me give you a quick overview. The Stylists Guild views the world as a collection of many scattered regions. These regions were once protected by different gods. Each had its own unique culture and landscape. The people, animals, and descendants all have their own customs and fashion styles. Nations were formed as these regions united, especially after the War of Heavens shattered the old order. As the Eight brought back the sparks of the ability outfits, a new order began to emerge. Without the protection of the gods, regions with similar customs and fashion gradually merged together, forming 7 great nations and several smaller ones. The 7 great nations are the Heartcraft Kingdom, known for its fairy tales and treasures. The Linlong Empire, a realm where the mystical meets the heroic. The Empire of Light, a formidable nation founded by wizards and knights. The Starhail Federation, a hub of advanced commerce and trade. The Terra Alliance, a passionate land that embraces the wild. The Twin Moon Kingdom, a long-lived fairy realm devoted to knowledge and nature. And the Whaleport, a floating harbor built around the Whale Space Station. The Wishfield, where we are now, is just one of the many small regions. The Wishing One once protected this land. Now, it's part of the Heartcraft Kingdom. It's sad, but recently, tensions with the Empire of Light have risen. The Heartcraft Kingdom isn't as peaceful as it appears. Of the 3 regions in the Heartcraft Kingdom, Wishfield has been the most affected, because it's on the border.
No wonder there are so many exiles.
Right. Oh, but if you're thinking of traveling to other regions, it might be a bit tricky.
Why?
The main route from Flora Wharf to the other regions has been temporarily closed due to some issues.
Huh?
Don't worry, though. As soon as it's reopened, I'll let you know right away. In the meantime, I can help you track down clues for the next miracle outfit. By then, you should be able to set sail with all new clues.
Wow! Thanks, Dada!
No problem. Until then, take some time to enjoy life here in Wishfield.
Okay.